Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. In this one, we're going to be talking about how you can block and mitigate the pop-ups with the cookie notifications on your Mac computer. So let's get into it right now. Basically, the way to prevent this from constantly popping up is by utilizing some sort of extension for your web browser. It's important to know which browser you use the most and which one you should set up to fix this issue. But let's say you want to prevent the cookies in Safari web browser. For this instance, it's perfect to get a Safari extension, and the one that would fit well for this would be one called Super Agent. Safari extensions are available on the Mac App Store, so you can open up the App Store, look up the Super Agent, and install it. Then, once it's downloaded and done on your device, open up the Safari browser, and you need to tap on the word Safari in the top left corner in the top panel. And you don't click on the Safari extensions because that just moves you over to the App Store again, but instead click on the settings. From the settings menu, go to the extensions, marked by a puzzle icon, and you'll see the complete list of all your extensions. Find the agent one we just installed, and you need to ensure it's turned on and activated. With the Super Agent app open, set your cookie consent preferences by selecting which types of cookies, advertising, functional performance you want to accept or reject. This, in reality, means that you don't just ignore the pop-ups, but you don't see it because it just gives the website the answer you want, and you just don't need to worry about it. Once set up, Super Agent will automatically handle cookie consent forms on websites according to your preferences, reducing the number of pop-ups you encounter. If you use Chrome or some other browser, the process will be almost the same. You also need to get an extension this time from the Google Extension Store, but it's also going to be something like this. You can even use the very same Super Agent for Chrome as well, so it's a good choice. Anyways, that's it from me. I hope I could help you with this problem. Let me know below if you found it useful or helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.